You don't need to go broke to break out an elegant appetizer. And these crab canapés are fantastic. Whether you're wearing a hoodie, pajamas, or an evening gown, they satisfy every need you got, if you know what I'm saying. Now the base of this thing is an English muffin. Now this is actually a muffin. English muffins are really crumpets. They're spongy bread, they're thin, and they're perfect for what we're gonna do. So one thing you should have in your kitchen are kitchen shears. These are perfect as a tool to do anything, cutting up herbs, cutting up pizza, and we're gonna cut up our English muffins into quarters. Now this dish will satisfy even the pickiest of eaters. My sister, now she's pretty particular and she's pretty fussy. Doesn't like any seafood, but she loves these. They're also easy to throw in the freezer and we'll tell you about that. But let's put the ingredients in here first. We've got 1 stick of softened butter. We've got 8 ounces of crab meat. Now you can use these out of the cans. You can also use imitation crab meat if you want. Whatever is gonna work for your team and your budget and your kitchen. Now we also have 8 ounces of cheese spread. This is cheddar cheese spread, sharp cheddar. You can use Old English, but this stuff works really well, and this gets a really nice little tang and zip into this thing. We've got 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We've got a ½ teaspoon of garlic salt. Actually, my dad made this, so more family stuff in there. And a ½ teaspoon of seasoned salt, which is basically salt with some garlic powder, black pepper, white pepper, cayenne pepper. That's what seasoned salt is. We're also gonna put in about a ½ teaspoon of hot sauce. That won't make them spicy, but it'll bring out the other flavors. And then also to add some acid to the crab and all the good creaminess, we're gonna squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon wedge. And then just stir it all up. Now we mix things up. Just gonna take 1 of your little quarter of the English muffins and spread a nice healthy scoop of it on there. And then we're gonna throw them in the oven, 375 for 10 to 12 minutes. When they come out of the oven, they are going to be fantastic. Golden brown, crispy on the bottom. For us, we like some fresh parsley on top, just because it looks cool. And remember, when you're making these, put some in your freezer. They're great to pull out last minute. Let's say your husband comes home, your buddies come in, you weren't expecting them, something quick in the oven. From the Spatchcock family to your family, crab canapés, any good night.